Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to mute videos in CapCut or how you can remove the sound of a video in CapCut. So here I've already added a video and the video that I added has some music in it. Okay, so how you can mute the sound of the video, you can just click on this icon here, this mute clip audio. This is the option where you can mute the music of your video. Just click on that, and now when you play it, the sound will be muted. And you can add another audio file in here, and maybe you can extract for a video, or you can just find the song from CapCut in here. That's up to you. Okay guys, so that's the easiest tutorial on how you can mute videos in CapCut. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to click on like, leave a comment, and also subscribe. I'll see you all in the next videos. Bye.